Welcome to our ultimate grooming showdown. Today, we're comparing two popular men's grooming products, the Ufree Electric Razor and the TPOB Slime 2 hair clippers. We'll dive into their specifications, pros and cons, and help you decide which one is the best fit for your grooming needs. Let's get started. Let's start with motor power. The Ufree Electric Razor boasts an impressive 7,500 RPM motor, making it highly efficient for shaving and trimming. In contrast, the TPOB Slime 2 clippers feature a 6,800 RPM motor, which is powerful but slightly less than the Ufree. This difference can affect performance, especially for those with thicker hair. Next, let's look at the blade technology. The Ufree razor features titanium T-blades and a double foil blade, designed for a smooth and close shave. On the other hand, the TPOB Slime 2 uses DLCX fade blades, which are known for their sharpness and precision, ideal for professional haircuts. Each blade type serves its purpose well, depending on your grooming needs. Finally, let's discuss versatility. The Ufree Electric Razor is an all-in-one grooming kit, perfect for shaving, trimming, and detailing beards. In contrast, the TPOB Slime 2 clippers are primarily designed for hair clipping and fading, making them less versatile but highly effective for that specific task. Your choice will depend on whether you need a multifunctional tool or a specialized clipper. In conclusion, both the Ufree Electric Razor and the TPOB Slime 2 clippers have their strengths. If you're looking for versatility in grooming, the Ufree is a great choice. However, if you need a professional-grade clipper for haircuts, the TPOB Slime 2 is the way to go. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons.